please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Hey everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about the database. Database is another component of IT or computers. So, before we understand what a database is, let's separate data from the base. So, what is a data? Well, data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or just description of things. For example, your name, age, height, weight, etc. are some data related to you. A picture, image, file, PDF, etc. can also be considered as data. So now, what is the base? Base is something like a system, a foundation, or a hub, or a central location where all the data come together. So now, let's look at the database definition. A database is an organized and systematic collection of data, generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Databases make data management a lot easier. Now comes the question is data can be stored in a spreadsheet or a text document as well. So why we need a database? Well, that's a good question. Like we use spreadsheets or we have a text document, we could put our name, our age, and all that information into those documents. So why do we really need the database compared to those regular flat files? Well, database store information more efficiently. Databases can handle volumes of information that would be unmanageable in a spreadsheet. Spreadsheets have record limitations, whereas databases do not. Compared to databases, spreadsheet can require a large amount of hard drive space for data storage, whereas in databases it takes a lot less space on your storage. Also, in database, joining records is a lot easier than compared to text or spreadsheet. So let's say if you have a spreadsheet that only tells you the age and let's say some information, date of birth of a user. In another spreadsheet, there is names and the address of that user. So sometimes when you wanted to get all that data in one line or in one record, so combining those two spreadsheets, it's a lot harder than compared to running some join SQL statements to combine that record. So that's why we have database. The pulling the database or data out of database is a lot easier than compared to these simple files.